Hey guys! In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to safely replace the ear tips on your AirPods Pro 3 without damaging the earbuds or the tips. Let's jump right in. Very first step is to understand Show the Ear Tip locking system. AirPods Pro 3 use Apple's new lock-fit tip system compared to old AirPods Pro model. The tip is just a push-in like older models. It pushes on it and clicks into place. So never twist it. Pull straight out. You'll risk tearing the silicone. Step 1 is hold the AirPod firmly by the stem with one hand. Step 2 is gently pinch the silicone tip near its base with dry hands, right where it meets the AirPod. Step 3 is squeeze the tip, then pull it straight off. Or use a clean cloth for better traction. Do not yank it from the very end of the silicone. That can rip the tip. Now, pick the right size. Here's all tip sizes comes inside the box. Apple includes small, medium, large tips, and extra small in the box. Use the Eartip Fit Test in Settings app. Ensure the AirPods Pro is connected, then tap on Bluetooth, tap on I button next to AirPods Pro 3 name. AirPods Pro 3 to find your best seal before swapping. Now, final step is to attach the new tip. Step 1 is align the oval connector of the new tip with the oval on the AirPod speaker. Step 2 is push in gently while giving a slight clockwise twist until you feel or hear a soft click. If it's not fully locked, it may pop off in your ear, so check it snug. As bonus, safety and cleaning tips. Use soft cloth and dry AirPods. Only change tips with dry hands, and never use sharp tools. If the mesh looks dusty, lightly wipe it with a dry lint-free cloth. Avoid water or alcohol on the speaker grill. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more Apple tips, and drop a comment if you had any trouble with the fit.